Hello dear viewers, hope you guys are doing very well. Welcome back to the video on the series of New Syllabus Mathematics Workbook 1 Oxford 7th edition. In today's video we will be solving question number 2. Let's read what question number 2 says. Jun Wei has a paper box with a length of 8 meter, a breadth of 12 meter and a height of 16 meters, right? What Jun Wei has? Jun Wei has a box which has a length 8 meter and a breadth of 12 meter and a height of 16 meter. And that box is basically a cuboid, right? Because see, the length, the breadth and the heights are different. So that means it is basically a cuboid. Now, what Jun Wei is thinking of is he's thinking of packing small cubes into the box. If each small cube is of length 2 meter, what is the number of small cubes that he is able to pack into the box? Now he wants to pick small cubes. Now see, he is now talking about cubes, right? For cube, we know that the length, the breadth and the height are the same. The lengths are always the same in cube. If each small cube is of length 2 meters, see, he has told us about the length 2 meter, that's of one side, and of course the other two sides will also be of 2 meter. What is the number of small cube? We have to find out what is the number of small cubes that he is able to pack into the box. So let's see. Firstly, we need to find the volume for both. Volume for cuboid, and which we talked about here, this one, box is basically a cuboid. So we need to find the volume of cuboid first, or you can say the box, right? Or you can say the box. That is equal to 12 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 16, right? Whichever number you take first, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, that will give you the same number, right? So let's find out by multiplying what 12 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 16 gives us. That is 1536. 1536. Now next we need to find the volume of a cube, right? He wants to pick inside the box, right? So that will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, because all the sides are the same, and the formula for volume of cube is L cube, right? That is L is multiplied 3 times. You will get 8. In this case it is meter cube, the unit, and in this case also it is meter cube. Now what we want to find is the number of small cubes he is able to pack into the box. So I will write the formula like this: number of small boxes is equal to the number of small boxes he can be able to put or to pack inside the box is basically the larger volume divided by the smaller volume. That is 1536 divided by 8. In this way you will know how much he is able to pack inside the big box. How many number of cubes basically. 1536 divided by 8 will give you 192, right? 192. That means this is the answer for the number of small cubes he is capable to pack inside the box. That is 192. This is the solution for part A, right? Now let's come to part B. What part B says? On the other hand, Jun Wei wants to pack cube of larger size into the box. Now in the first case he wanted to pack small cubes into that box, but in the second case he wants larger size cubes to be packed inside that box. Now what we have to find is find the greatest possible length of the cube such that the cubes can fill the box entirely. So in this case, what we will do is we will basically find the highest common factor, right? See, the keyword that's used here is greatest, right? Greatest. By this word you can understand that he is asking us to find the HCF. So the HCF of the numbers, these numbers 8, 12 and 18. This was what he had given us in the very beginning, right? The length, the breadth and the height of the box. So let's use these to find the HCF and we will come to know how many larger box can fit inside the cube. So let's see. Firstly, we will find the HCF of 8 and 12. We need to find HCF of 8, 12 and 16. We can use the division method. 8 1 is 8, 9 10 11 12 4, and now you will bring the 8 here. Now 4 2 is 8. We have the HCF as 4. Now I will take the HCF of 4 and 16, and whatever I get, that will be my answer. So for 4 is 16 basically. That means the HCF is 4, by which we get the answer for the second question, that is part B, that 4 larger box can fill the box entirely. Hope you understood what I taught in the video. Thanks for watching.